Everybody, like and subscribe to the channel. Come on, show some love. Now, what would you do if you came home and you saw this black snake right here on your doorknob waiting to try to get in your house with you? That's what happened to my brother-in-law. We were out of town. He was house sitting, and this snake was like, hey, man, come on, let me in, man. I'm trying to get comfy and cozy. I'm trying to get inside, too. Anyway, of course, he didn't let the snake in. But you know, the funny thing is, my brother always told a story about him going into the bathroom one day and seeing a snake. Not this one, obviously, but a black snake in the bathroom, in the toilet. I wouldn't say that I doubted him, but I always thought, how could a snake get in? Well, if you look right here, right at this window, that's the window to that same bathroom. So I guess his story is a little more credible.